The information in the video shows an incident on the 8th of February 2023 in Iskenderun, Hatay, Turkey. In the Turkish city of Iskenderun, after two strong earthquakes, the sea level rose. The coastal road and Mete Aslan Boulevard were underwater. Public buildings, businesses, banks and residential buildings were damaged due to the flood. Residents of the coastal areas of Iskenderun were evacuated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.